Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so the connection will work. Enable remote desktop on the PC, add your user, and open the firewall rule for port 3389. This is why connections fail otherwise. Once done, note the PC's public IP or dynamic DNS name and the exact port and Windows credentials you'll use. Then install the official RDP client app on your phone and grant it network and storage permissions. This gets you ready to initiate the first connection immediately. Now configure the session so it's usable on a small screen. Create a new connection profile in the app. Type the IP or DNS with the port, add the username, and save the password if secure. Next, tweak display and performance settings, lower resolution and enable bandwidth optimization to reduce lag, turn on touch and scale gestures so the desktop feels natural. Finally, enable network-level authentication and certificate checks. This protects your login and prevents man-in-the-middle attacks while you work remotely. Finish by launching the saved profile and approving any security prompts. You'll use the on-screen keyboard and multi-touch gestures to control the desktop. If the session fails, methodically check common failures. Confirm the IP/DNS and port, ensure the PC is awake, verify firewall and router port forwarding or VPN settings, and re-enter credentials if needed. One reliable approach is to test connectivity on the same local network first. Once that works, add port forwarding or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.